Hello, guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Explody FPS. My name is Jessica. It becomes quite difficult when you need to copy text paragraph from an image and you can't find any solution. Well, today's we will talk about this topic. How we can copy text from images. For this, you don't need any third-party tool. Windows 11 snipping tool is sufficient for this. Just click on the Windows icon and you can take a screenshot or import the image. For screenshot, you can click on here, or you can hold Windows Shift plus S key to take screenshot, even though you can also make a video clip. And for importing the image file, just open the snipping tool and click on these dots and open file. Once you open the file, you can import any image into it. Now, if you want to copy all these text, just click here, take action, and it will copy all the text from the image. Once it's done, now you will see here copy all text and quick reduct. Simply you need to click on copy all text. And there you go. Now you can paste it anywhere. All the text and format has been copied. That's it for today's quick tutorial. If you are facing any issues related to your Windows computer, please leave a comment below and we'll work on addressing your concerns. We also welcome suggestions for future topics.